imagine just losing something at the airport. It's one thing if like it's not allowed and TSA takes it, like
Right.
Big bottles of like lotion or
Right,
I've
water,
made
yeah.
the mistake with going south and bringing sunscreen with me, trying to
Yep.
be smart ahead of time and then forgetting you can't have that in the carry-on.
You ever lose anything significant in the airport?
No, and I was just flying over the weekend, but no.
All good here. No, it's funny because I can imagine as a parent when you're trying to wrangle multiple kids.
Right.
Yeah, I can see how something gets lost, but your cane for walking?
Right, that's a little
seems
important.
like an important.
Yeah, the only thing I can imagine is like they used one of the wheelchairs in the airport and then just forgot.
I guess so. Hey, we are going to have some wicked cold come the next couple of days, especially in the morning.
Yes, and I'm going to get to it at the end. Next week looks even colder, so this is all kind of relative. Tomorrow will be cold and gusty again. I think the wind, like we saw last week, is probably more the factor than the temperatures tomorrow. Thursday and Friday will be seasonably cold. Thursday morning likely the coldest, but it comes with less wind. And then we'll have some rain and snow showers on Saturday, mainly in the afternoon. No big organized system overhead today, but there is some upper level energy that's been developing a few flurries and snow showers. Most of these are offshore, but right around Portland, Headlight, Cape Elizabeth, a little bit of flurry action. Same goes for down toward Higgins Beach as well, and a few snow showers over far down east. But for the most part, most of us are dry right now. 30 from Portsmouth to Portland, 29 in Lewiston. We're at 28 in Waterville, 18 though in Rangeley. And as we go through the night, most of these flurries and snow showers will dry up. We'll find partial clearing toward tomorrow morning. We'll start the day between 15 and 20 in most spots, a bit colder in the mountains. And then during the day tomorrow, we won't rise much. We'll have a decent amount of sunshine, but it's just ineffective. Mid to upper 20s in central and southern Maine for highs tomorrow. Teens in the mountains, but factoring in the wind, it will feel colder. Tomorrow night, we clear out completely and the wind will lighten up, and that allows temperatures to drop even more Thursday morning. Single digits in a lot of spots first thing in the morning, about 10 or 12 in Portland at 6 in the morning. And then Thursday afternoon, we'll get back into the low and mid 20s, but with less wind, it shouldn't feel all that bad Thursday afternoon. Tomorrow, clearly the windiest of the next few days, and then a little breezy over the weekend, but that will actually come with less cold air. So Thursday it remains cold, but a lighter wind means it's not all that bad. Then on Friday, a mix of sun and clouds will trend toward mostly sunny skies on Friday. Temperatures get back to around freezing for most of us Friday afternoon. Over the weekend, we'll start to get a southerly wind on Saturday, and this front comes in from the west. There isn't a ton of moisture with it, but it'll be enough for some showers Saturday afternoon and evening, likely in the form of rain, at least some of them near the coastline. Snow showers more likely up in the mountains. And then once this front goes by, there may be a storm that tries to form on it Sunday into Monday. We'll just have to see where it goes, whether it stays out to sea or comes up our way. After that system goes by, though, next week across all of the eastern part of the country looks cold. Colder than average temperatures coming next week. I think Tuesday into Wednesday may be the coldest air we've felt so far this season. Small crafts up tomorrow. Seas will be running 3 to 5 feet on the water. Cold and blustery tomorrow, a high in the low to mid 20s inland, mid to upper 20s along the coastline. Cold Thursday morning, single digits, but with less wind, it shouldn't feel quite as bad in the afternoon. Mostly sunny on Friday, rain and snow showers Saturday afternoon. Sunday should be dry. We're watching Sunday night into Monday to see whether or not that storm comes through. But Chris, look what follows it. Bitter cold middle of next week. We'll probably be in the teens for high temperatures, not factoring in the wind Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bundle up.
You bet.